Pomona Divorce Step-by-Step Guide. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're thinking about divorce in Pomona, it helps to know the exact steps so you don't run into delays or rejections. Let me walk you through the process. First, we prepare and e-file your petition and summons with the Los Angeles County Superior Court, since Pomona divorces are handled there. Next, your spouse must be served with the papers, either by a process server or, if they're cooperative, by signing a Notice of Acknowledgment and receipt. After that, both spouses must complete and exchange financial disclosures. This step is required in every California divorce, even when the case is amicable. Once that's done, we prepare your settlement agreement, which outlines property, debts, custody, and support if needed. Finally, we put everything together in a judgment package and submit it to the court for approval. For example, we helped a Pomona couple who thought the court would finalize their case automatically after 6 months. Instead, their file sat untouched because they hadn't submitted their judgment. We stepped in, fixed the paperwork, and got their divorce finalized in weeks. At Divorce 661, we manage every step for one flat fee: filing, service, disclosures, agreements, and judgment, so your case is completed correctly and without stress. If you're ready to start your divorce in Pomona, visit Divorce661.com and schedule your free consultation today.